I am Emeline Colomba. I am medical oncologist in France in Gustave Roussy Institute, and I used to treat patients with GU malignancies and gynecology malignancies also. The response of immunotherapy. So we decided to look in a big cohort, a prospective big cohort, GTUG AFU 26 NIVO-RAN trial that was a phase 2 trial that investigating the efficacy and the safety of nivolumab in metastatic renal cell carcinoma after first line of VEGFR inhibitor. And we could enroll 708 patients in the BMI analysis and look usual outcome between BMI and objective response rate, PFS, and overall survival in patients. So the main finding was that we had around 1,500% of patients that was obese, defined as BMI greater or equal to 30 milligrams per square according to WHO organization. And we found that we have a clear trend to better outcome in obese patients in terms of overall survival, objective response rate, and overall progression-free survival. But when we look at in multivariate analysis, according to Cox model, we with well-known adjusting with well-known risk factor in metastatic renal cell carcinoma as the age, IMDC score, the number of prior line, the gender. We finally lost the significance. So BMI was finally not significant in the models. There are several studies now that reported preclinical mechanisms to highlight this obesity paradox. We have several studies in mouse model, obese mouse models that have shown that obese patient has probably a chronic low-grade inflammation that could decrease adaptive immune response. So a study shows that this state that is called now inflammaging correspond to an exhaustion of T cells resulting in a higher PD-L1 expression that show clearly that obese patient responds better to immunotherapy. It's not really that obesity is a good factor. Maybe it is associated with an immune depressed system that could more benefit from immunotherapy. I think there is several data that clearly, and that is clearly robust data that have shown that obese patients could really benefit from immunotherapy, from immune checkpoint inhibitor as an association. Concerning the IO TKI combination, we need, I think, more data in this particular population of obese patients to conclude what kind of association is better.